Hello, everyone, and welcome to Mr. English Guide. If you're planning to take the IELTS exam and want to achieve your dream band score, whether it's for studying abroad, immigration, or career growth, you've just found the right place. Today, I'm going to give you a complete 12-week IELTS study plan along with proven preparation strategies that thousands of successful candidates have used. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to study, what to focus on each week, and how to measure your progress effectively. So grab your notebook and let's start your IELTS journey with confidence. Before we dive into the plan, let's quickly understand what the IELTS exam actually tests. IELTS has 4 main sections: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Listening includes 40 questions in about 30 minutes. Reading has 3 passages and takes 1 hour. Writing includes 2 tasks, and the speaking test lasts about 11 to 14 minutes with an examiner. The IELTS isn't just about knowing English words. It's about showing how well you can use English naturally and accurately. That means understanding main ideas and specific details in listening and reading, writing clear and structured essays, and speaking confidently and fluently, even under pressure. And that's where our 12-week strategy comes in, to build your skills step by step and make your preparation efficient and focused. Now, let's break down your complete 3-month IELTS preparation plan in a simple and effective way. In weeks 1 and 2, focus on your English foundation, strengthen your grammar, expand your vocabulary, and practice clear pronunciation. Listen to English podcasts or news clips every day. Read short articles and summarize them in your own words. Try to write 1 short paragraph daily on simple topics like family, hobbies, or your city. These 2 weeks will help you build a strong base for the rest of your preparation. In weeks 3 and 4, move into skill development. Start practicing IELTS-style listening and reading exercises. Learn different question types, multiple choice, true or false, and matching headings. Begin writing task 1. Which includes describing charts or letters. Record yourself speaking on common IELTS topics like education or technology. This helps you gain comfort and confidence in real exam situations. From weeks 5 to 8, it's time for intensive practice. Take 1 full listening and reading test each week and focus on time management. Write complete task 2 essays, at least 2 per week, and if possible, get feedback from a teacher or a study partner. Practice speaking for 2 minutes daily on random topics. This stage helps you connect all your skills and simulate real test conditions. During weeks 9 to 12, move to mock tests and final review. Take 2 full IELTS mock tests every week under timed conditions. Analyze your mistakes carefully. Grammar errors, vocabulary gaps, or timing issues. Revise all your key topic vocabulary, especially for subjects like environment, education, and culture. Continue light speaking and listening practice daily to keep your fluency sharp. Remember, consistency is far more powerful than intensity. Studying 1 to 2 hours daily is better than cramming on weekends. Make a routine that fits your lifestyle and stick to it. Now, before we wrap up, here are a few powerful tips to boost your results. First, listen and read real English content, news, interviews, and documentaries. Second, keep a small vocabulary journal and review it every week. And third, record yourself speaking regularly to notice your pronunciation and fluency improvement. Always review your mistakes. That's where real learning happens. Don't be afraid of errors. They show your growth. So that's your complete 12-week IELTS study roadmap. Follow it carefully, stay disciplined, and you'll see amazing progress within just 3 months. With dedication, your dream IELTS band is absolutely achievable. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Mr. English Guide, and turn on the bell icon for more IELTS lessons. In the next video, we'll begin Week 1, Building Your English Foundation, with practical examples and study materials you can follow every day. Thanks for watching, and remember, your IELTS success starts with the right plan. See you in the next class.